One of the best tools for a student on Blackboard is My Grades area, and it just gives you an overview of how you're doing in a class. So let's see how our imaginary student did. All these grades are made up. Now, the best one is final grade, and it has grading criteria which shows you how much the class average was worth, and the final grade was 30%. Now the grade itself is not the best, but this is why you should be aware of this tab to avoid grades like these, because everybody needs an A. Okay, so just click on grading criteria. You will know exactly what influences your class grade, class average, etc. Now, also the another tool is you can click on this little tab and it can show you the average. So here's the average for entire class, and in this case I did not do so good compared to everybody else because the average was like 94% and median grade was 97. Okay, so this is done. Here were a couple of other things. So these are highlighted in blue. These are composite grades. They have grading criteria. They have several different elements to them. Now, if you keep scrolling down, you can see separate assignments, and you should be able to click on these. And for example, this one has instructions attached. You can click on this. Sometimes you can pull out the rubric here. Now what else is here? Okay, so here's the markings for this assignment. If you just see this little dash, it means you have not submitted anything. You do not have a grade for there. For if you have an assignment with a dash, no grade, but you have a yellow exclamation point, it means that you have uploaded the file, but your teacher have not read it yet or given it a grade. Okay, so let's see what else is there. There are a couple of more things. Okay, exempt grades. Now, for this lab number 9, so we scored just 3 points, and what this gray circle means is that the grade has been omitted, which means it does not influence your averages or any calculations. For this lab means there was no submission and the grade was omitted. Now, if you have a fraction, for example, here we see 3 out of 5, it means for this assignment I have only scored 3 points out of 5. Let's see if it does show anything else. No, it does not. Okay, this is about it for my grades area. Thank you for watching.